Uh-oh. Oh, I know that one.
All right, Preston, close your eyes.
Oh,
Close your eyes. Close them. Close them tight. Close them tight.
they're tight. Okay, can I open?
Not yet.
Close them tight.
Woo!
All right, open up.
Woo! I thought that was a trick. That you didn't find it, and you did. Now I'm still bigger than that thing.
It's pretty wild, isn't it?
Oh, can you move the feet of that thing?
You can, yeah.
Oh!
Next, you can open that one now.
Whoa.